Hello and welcome to this short video walk around of this fantastic Porsche Macan 3-litre V6 petrol, which we've just had come into stock. It's a Macan S and it's finished in Volcano Grey. It's a 2019 model and it's got just over £14,000 worth of extras. It's a beautiful car and it's covered just over 14,000 miles. And it's only one owner from new. With a full Porsche service history. It's been serviced twice at Porsche and most recently it was done January 2023, so all up to date and ready to go. As you can see, it's got the LED headlights to the front and also the Porsche sports design body kit. So the front bumper is a slightly different one. Got the nice gloss black grille as well. It's also got the upgraded 21-inch turbo alloy wheels. They're wrapped in Pirelli tyres with around 4mm tread on all four corners. Condition is absolutely fantastic. Obviously, it's only low miles and one owner. It's also been ceramic coated as well, so all the paint is very, very clean. Been well looked after. Again, because it's got the sports design body kit, you've got the gloss black trims lower down there and also the body coloured sills. All the wheels are unmarked, as you'd expect. It's also got the sports exhaust as well in gloss black, and this rear diffuser is in gloss black too, which is nice. Body coloured rear spoiler. Tailgate, which we just press like so. Nice size boot there with the folding seats as well. Just looking down the driver's side, again, all in fantastic condition. All the bodywork, all the wheels. In excellent condition. So onto the inside, the car's got the 14-way adjustable leather seats. They are memory seats as well. Electric folding wing mirrors. Gloss black trims. All in, again, fantastic condition. It's got the Porsche mats as well. We've got 2 keys with the car, got all the book packs, service history. Nice big widescreen sat nav there. Smells like a new car inside, no signs of any pets or tobacco odour. It's also got the electronic suspension as well, which is a great option. It really improves the ride. It's got the air suspension. It's got the switchable exhaust, lane assist, heated seats, dual climate control, rear camera, cruise control. Just show you the rear as well. Another nice interesting option, it's got the thermally acoustic glass, I believe. It's about £1,000 option. Just enhances the sound cancelling on the car. Looks fantastic on the road. Drives very well. Like I said, it's only got low miles, just over 14,000. It's one owner from new, 2 Porsche stamps, most recently done in January 2023, and over £14,000 worth of extras. It's a fantastic car and it's ready to go. If you'd like any further information, please give us a call and we'll do our best to help. Thanks for viewing.